Okay, this is 1 pound of sorrel. Alright, I'm gonna wash it. Okay, I'm gonna wash it. But when you wash your sorrel, don't use hot water, okay? Use cold water. So I'm gonna wash this and I'm gonna put it in boiling water with some ginger, okay? Some grated ginger. Alright? So this is how I wash my sorrel. Again, don't use hot water, use cold water. Okay? And when you wash it, make sure you wash it in a bowl like this. So all the dirt can just come out of it, okay? You see I'm using cold water even though it's still running. I'm going to use cold water. And definitely wash it. Because there's a lot of dirt into it. Okay? I know I don't make a video for a long time, but I was so busy. I'm so sorry. I'm washing it and I'm feeling this dirt inside of it. Yep, I'm feeling the dirt inside of it. Yep, okay. Don't want it too much. Okay. I think it's good now. Yep. I think it's good now. So, look at this. Oh my gosh. You see, you have to wash it. Look at this. Look at all these dirt inside here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? I think I want to wash it again. Yep. Seen this? I definitely want to wash it again. Yep. All these dirt. Oh my gosh. This thing has to wash. This is a must. I always wash my sorrel all the time. But it's just crazy to see so much dirt inside of it. So definitely wash it. You definitely want to wash it. You don't want to drink all these dirt. Oh no. Okay, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. And I'm making my sorrel. Yep. Alright, I think I'm finished now. Let me see. Yep, no dirt. Good. Alright, my dear, so my sorrel, ginger. So now we're gonna put it in boiling water here. Okay, here's the water. Here's the water. And put in my ginger inside of it. Okay, there it is. Let me get a spoon here and sorry. Yep, this is it. So I'm gonna leave this to boil for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, because I want the ginger to boil real nice. Alright, and once it's finished boil, I'm gonna show you how to sweeten it, and girl, I'm gonna enjoy. Alright, okay, see you shortly. I'm back in Diana's kitchen. This is my daughter Diane. Diane said hello.
Hi everybody, it's nice to meet you.
Okay, this is my sorrel. I just finished boiling it. I leave it on the stove for about 15-20 minutes. So now I'm gonna strain it. Okay, I'm gonna strain it. If you have pimento seed, you can drop a little pimento seed in your sorrel. I don't have any pimento seed, so I'm not going to put anything. All I'm going to put is some brown sugar. If you have white granulated sugar, you can do that, but I like to use the brown sugar. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to stir in my sorrel. And Diane is going to be my tester lady. She's going to tell me if it's okay or not. I tell you, she will tell you the truth. So I always use my Diane. Right, Diane? All right. Okay, I'm going to make it taste it in a cup, Diane. So you're going to tell me, my daughter, if it's good or not. Okay? All right. Thank you. All right. Okay, so let's go. Leonie, we're going to throw some in a cup for you. All right, my girl. A little ice.
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 Ice. Okay, everyone, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So I'm making this for Thanksgiving. All right, Diane, look at this, a lot of ice. So let it cool. Give it like a couple minutes or a minute. Give it a pink one. She like pink, so let me give her pink. All right, start it like this. All right, you want to wait on me?
Yes.
Okay, let me get mine.
I want you to try at the same time.
All right, no problem, my dear. My straw fell. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Oh, it's fell on your lap.
Thank you. All right, here we go. I love to strain it with a smaller strainer. Why? Because, you know, sometimes they use a bigger strainer. If anything get away, the smaller one, the smaller strainer catch it.
Mommy,
Okay.
put your straw like this. It's more easier.
Okay, thank you. All right, here we go. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. All right, stir it. Okay. All right. So go on, Diane. Do my tester lady. Be my tester lady. 1, 2, 3, go. Tell me.
It tastes good and it tastes sweet.
Oh yeah, you like it?
I like how you put the brown sugar in it. It makes the sour taste more sweeter.
Oh yeah.
And
Okay.
the ice is really cool.
All right, good. And you know what you can do too? Put a little salt in your sour because salt makes everything taste better. Okay? Put a little salt. All right, here we go.
Always put salt even if it's sweet.
Oh yes. I'm loving it.
Me too.
I'm loving it. Without no rum, I'm loving it. Okay. If you want me to make something, please let me know. And again, I'm so sorry. I know I don't make a video for a long time, but please subscribe and thumbs up. Okay? God bless.